Lay your struggles down, these dominoes will fall down either way. Torn between the profane and profound, I hope you choose to pray. These articles and tightly worded essays, they have led you astray. The night is cool to care, yet cynicism governs the day. So champion your metaphors and aphorisms, sing along. If sophistication only lasts until